So that's it for the vlog, man. Hope you boys like, subscribe, share if you're new. And we out, bro. Yo, Jay, come say bye. Come say bye to the camera, bro. Say bye.
Bye.
We out. Let's get it, man. We out of here, bro. We out. YouTube, what's up with you, man? It's your boy. And I'm back at it with another video, man. Today, man, about to go to the bank, change this check, you know what I'm saying? You already know what we out here doing. Pre this whip, bro. Woo! My son picked up his new whip, so he finna let me whip it. Oh, he said hi. Yo, say hi to the vlog. Hold on.
Bruh.
Locked him in the car and shit. Hold
Bruh.
on. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi.
Hi.
Hey, finna whip the new whip. Know what I'm saying? So, finna see y'all boys in a bit, man. Let's get it, man. My son, jump over, bro, if you wanna drive. So we in the whip right now. It's clean as hell. Boy got his new ride, first ride. It's mad clean. My son, first ride is mad clean. Congrats to my nigga right here.
This nigga in his
You feel me, bro? Say what's up to the vlog, bro. Son got his new whip. Clean Lexus, 2015, 2014. Now I'm saying we finna see y'all boys in a bit, man. Oh man, it's a push to start. Woo! That boy sound nice. I can't even front. And he got a backup camera in here. We lit. Finna head to the bank, change this, something light. Feel me? So see y'all boys in a bit. Man, we whipping it right now. Woo! It's fire. I mess with this. I need me something like this, boy. We whipping it, so see y'all boys later, man. Whipping it. New whip, new ride, you know what I'm saying? That's heat, bro. That's all I gotta say, man. It's heat. Say what's up. What's up? We out here. Yo, stop blowing, bro. We just left the bank and shit. We out here. Yeah. Shit is crazy, bro. It's fine, man. Congrats to him, man. Feel me? So me and my nephew right here, we just chilling. But I'm gonna give y'all an in-depth look on the car right now. So yeah. Brand new, feel me? Leather seats and all. Got the GPS right there. I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. Watch this. I'm gonna put this thing in reverse. Got a backup camera right there. So yeah, that's valid. That's valid about the car and shit. This man got the windshield wiper on. I don't know why. Why you honking, bro? But yeah, man. I'm gonna see y'all boys in a bit. I don't know where we finna go next, but I'm gonna see y'all boys in a bit, man. Y'all can see, man, this whip right here got sports mode. I have a peek there. Watch this right here. Hit sports. Hold on, right there. Eco, normal, sport mode. That's what we finna whip right now, boys. Sport mode. We finna go crazy. See y'all boys later, man. Just got my boys some kids. Look at him. Yo.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Just got him some new kicks, you know what I'm saying? Runs in the family, man. So I'm gonna see y'all boys in a bit. Shout out to my boy Garfield for letting me drive his new whip, you know what I'm saying? It's a valid whip, so shout out to him, man. And that will be it for the vlog. I'll holler at y'all, boy. I'll see y'all boys in the next video. And I'm out, bro. Peace.